Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my second update for Turn and Burn 5.0. I'm a little bit late. I would have liked to do this update closer towards the end of February, but it is what it is. I do have quite a bit of empties, so we'll talk about the empties first, and then I'll tell you what's still ongoing and then which other samples I'm bringing in this time around. Let's get into it. I'm going to start with the empties that I have that were just kind of random. You know, I needed some, I pulled them in and I used them. The first one is by Lancome, and this is Energie de Vie, the Melton Sleeping Mask. I enjoyed this a lot, actually. Really enjoyed it. Another empty, a little foil sample. This is Youth to the People, and this is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins face wash. It's okay, it was decent. I do like more like milky face washes is what I've learned. By Way, I guess, Detox Shampoo. I did really like this, like to cleanse my roots really well. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. I do have a couple more samples of these that I think I'm gonna start pulling in randomly. I have a couple more hair samples, empties, and then a lot more empties. By Kerastase, this is the Resistance Length Caring Gel Cream, a leave-in for blow dry care, for healthy looking strength. It wasn't like I didn't finish this just in the month of February, but I rolled it in because I'd worked on it for a while before, and then I just sort of stopped using it. And when I was looking around in my stash for samples to use up, this came up, so I used this guy up. I did really like it. I do have another one that I haven't used yet. I'm not ready to put it into this project like this because I haven't really been blow drying my hair. If I start blow drying again, I might pull it into the project because it takes a long time for me to use it. Another hair empty is by Kenra, and this is the Platinum Luxe One Leave-In, a miracle spray, which is more of a cream than a spray. So I would apply a little bit in my hand, emulsify it, and then put it on the ends of my hair. I did really enjoy it. And again, this was another something that was like, I had used it a lot and then I just stopped using it. So I was like, okay, time to start clearing out all these empty products in my collection. Not empty, like sample, almost empty, time to finish them. So I rolled them into the project and I used them up. For another face wash, and this is the one that I'd introduced in my intro, and it was still ongoing in the first update. This is by Essen Herb. This is the Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. Again, I mentioned it. It's not like, it's a gentle cleanser, but it still leaves my skin kind of like a little tight, like it's a little too stripped. So I finished this guy, thank God. I didn't want to use it every night, so it took me a while to finish it up. So there's that one. Okay, by L'Occitane, this is like that almond supple skin oil. I did really enjoy this guy a lot. My husband did not like the scent of it, which is weird because he did like the scent of the cream, but the oil he didn't like. What's it called? Like that concentrate. It comes in a jar, but I had a sample. I don't know. He did not like the smell of this one, but the shower oil and that milky cream or concentrate, whatever they call it, he liked the smell of them. I don't know. I didn't notice much of a difference, but it had been a while since I used the other ones. For body care, lotions and whatnot, I was already working on this one when I did my last update. I went ahead and finished it. This is by Hims, and this is the original herbal body moisturizer, and this is the anniversary edition. It smelled really nice. I did really enjoy it. When I finished this one, I went ahead and rolled in the Skinzy Life Beat body lotion. This smelled amazing, and the formula of it, oh my god, I loved it. I'm like, can I squeeze anything out? But there's like nothing because I feel like my hands could use a little bit. It smelled so good. It absorbed so nicely to my skin. I really enjoyed this one. I was really happy to use it. And then when I finished it, I started working on another one, which we'll talk about in a second. Another empty, a hair empty. This is by Kiehl's, and this is the amino acid conditioner, pure coconut and jojoba oils. I just like, again, randomly just put this in the shower to just like try and use up alongside using my favorite products. I was trying to finish up as many other open products, although this wasn't open, this was brand new, but like other products that just sit around. And I do have a lot of hair, so with this one, I think this was only like 2 or 3 uses, so it wasn't really much, but it's gone. Now I just gotta finish the shampoo. I always finish the conditioner, and then the shampoo just lingers forever. A couple more empties. I finished up the Rusk Pure Mix Wild Honey Repair Mask for dry hair. I think I rolled this in last time. This was really nice. My hair felt really, really nice and soft afterwards. So there's that one. And I think the only other, I'm so close on the eye cream. Well, I'll leave that for a minute. And I'm gonna roll a different one in its place. But for perfumes, my goal was to finish 2. I ended up finishing 3, which was really nice. It seems that the 3 is my magic number for these in a month, because I do rotate between little samples and then full size. But I finished these 3. Marc Jacobs Decadence. I really, really like the scent of it. Citrine. The scent is Citrine, and this is by Nest. Some days I really like this one. It was very fresh, very smelled good. But other days I'm like, oh, I can't stand the smell of it. I don't know why. It's so weird. And then maybe like hot days or cold days. On a hot day I didn't like it, but a cold day I liked it. Or maybe the opposite. I don't know. And then the last little perfume sample is by Viktor Rolf, and this is Salty Flower Scent is Magic. This smelled really good as well. So here are my empties, and then I have a very, very close to being empty, and that's the eye cream. I am so close. I think maybe like tonight or maybe tomorrow morning I'll be done with this one. So it's really close. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this guy, and then in its place I'm gonna roll in this one, which I know it's gonna take me more than a month to finish. And this is Kiehl's Powerful Strength, Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. This is supposed to be amazing, so I'm really looking forward to trying this guy. Again, it's probably gonna take me a long time to finish, but we'll see. Other samples or products that I'm still working on since the first update, and yeah. The first one, I guess, would be the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner for all skin type. I don't like this guy as much as I like the one I used previously. This is like that milky toner that I apply it on a little like a cotton pad, and it just doesn't absorb into the cotton pad, so it just sits on it. But then like if I put it on my skin directly, it's nice. So I don't know, maybe I need to just start using it, put it on my hands and dab it into my skin instead of trying to use a cotton pad with it. Why didn't I think of that until now? Anyway, this guy is still in here. We're still gonna work on it. So now 2 products. I like to keep it at 7 and then like 3 perfumes, or so that's 2. The other product that I still didn't finish, and I only used it 1 time or 2 times. I think there's only like 1 time use in here, and this is the Tony Moly I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask. I think 1 more time and I'll be done with it. So there's number 3. I'm embarrassed. My sheet mask is here. I know, like, what is wrong with me and sheet masks? Why can't I just use them? It's in here. Another product that I'm working on, I rolled this guy in as soon as I finished that Kenzie body lotion. I rolled this guy in. This is, I guess the company is Cake, and this is the heavy cream, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. A rich vanilla shea butter, deeply nourishing. It's thick, it's a body butter, and it didn't really click in my head until like I put a bunch in my hand and I was like, oh my god, this is not absorbing into my legs. But yeah, there's a lot of product in here. I think this is gonna take me a lot longer to finish than body lotions, but it's, I'm okay with that. My skin's been so dry lately. It's so frustrating. And then for a face wash, in place of that, in place of this guy, I rolled in First Aid Beauty, and this is just like the face cleanser. I think I've used it 2 times already. I've used a couple of these previously, and I do really like them. I tend to like most of the First Aid Beauty products that I've used. So I'm still working, I'm working on that one. That's gonna be in this project. And I'm just gonna pull in like 3 little sheets. This is by Peter Thomas Roth. And this is a hydrating moisturizer. I know I've used those before and I do really like them. This is by Tony Moly, and that's Cat's Perfect Night Mask. I'm excited to try this one. And randomly, I have this Barefoot Scientist. This is High Dive Foot Cream. So I'm gonna use this guy. All right, and then the last few samples that I have for this month are perfume samples. I kept one from last month because I'm using it and I'm really close. Again, probably one more use and I would be done. I try to pull 4 and keep 4 in my little thing, and then my goal is always to finish 2. If I finish more than 2, hey, I'm happy. This is the Skylar Capri. It smells really good. It kind of like this, and the Nest Citrine are very, very similar, but I think I like this one a little bit more. I'm so close. Like, again, I'll probably finish it in no time. And then the other 3 that I rolled in, this is by Gucci, and this is the Guilty Pour Homme. It's not even for women. I'm gonna have to pull a different one in. I gotta give this one to my husband. Oops, I didn't even notice that. By Juliette Has a Gun. Moscow Mule. I love her perfumes. Is it even Juliette? Who does those perfumes? Anyway, this one is the scent Moscow Mule by Jimmy Choo. This is Illicit. I don't think I've ever tried this one by Jimmy Choo. Now we're gonna have to pull one more because that one is for men. What is it gonna be? There's all my perfumes. I'm just gonna grab one. Oh goodness, what is this? This is by Lila Lou, or is it Lila Lou by Rosie Jane? Okay, we're gonna do this one. So this is it, you guys. This is my second update for Turn and Burn 5.0. Let's see, how many products do I have going on? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I have 9 samples and 4 perfumes. Hey, that's okay. As soon as I finish something, again, I roll something in its place and then I'll update you about it during the next update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group PANtastic Ladies. This project is in collab with them. They will be in the description box. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.